Today I am reviewing the HP Elitebook 640 G11. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that promises to handle heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat, you have probably stumbled across the HP Elitebook 640 G11. On paper, this machine looks like a powerhouse, but after spending a solid 2 weeks using it as my primary driver for both office work and some light creative tasks, I've found that the reality is a bit more nuanced than the spec sheet suggests. If you want to see the specific configuration I am using or check the current pricing, you can find the links below the video. Let's start with the performance, because that is clearly the selling point here. Packing an Intel Core Ultra 7 165U processor along with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB SSD is an aggressive setup for a 14-inch business laptop. In real-world usage, this thing is incredibly snappy. I ran dozens of browser tabs, several Excel spreadsheets, and a few background communication apps simultaneously, and I never once encountered a stutter. The RAM capacity is the real MVP here. It allows you to move between heavy applications instantly without waiting for reloads. If your workflow involves data-heavy tasks or constant switching between intensive software, this hardware configuration will not disappoint you. However, we need to talk about the screen. It is a 14-inch WUXGA display with 300 nits of brightness. Now, 300 nits is perfectly fine for an office environment with controlled lighting, but if you're someone who likes to work from a coffee shop with big windows or outdoors, you're going to struggle. It is an anti-glare panel, which helps, but it is not bright enough to cut through direct sunlight. The colors are accurate enough for business presentations and document work, but if you are a photo editor or a color-critical creator, this display is going to feel lackluster. It is a functional screen, but it is not an inspiring one. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from the Elitebook line. It feels robust and professional. The chassis has that utilitarian, no-nonsense aesthetic that HP is known for. One thing I really appreciate is the port selection. You get 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and even an RJ45 Ethernet port. In an era where manufacturers are stripping away ports to shave off millimeters, HP kept the essentials. This means you do not need to carry a dongle everywhere you go, which is a massive quality-of-life upgrade for business travelers. I should mention that this specific listing comes with a 7-in-1 USB-C hub, which is a nice touch if you have a desk full of peripherals, even if you probably won't need it as often as you would with a thinner, less equipped laptop. Now, for the potential disappointment. The Intel Core Ultra 7 is a capable chip, but it is not a gaming processor. While it handles AI-assisted tasks and standard business applications flawlessly, do not expect to use this as a primary machine for video editing or high-end gaming. The thermal management is decent, but the fans will definitely kick in and become audible when you push the processor. It is not an annoying high-pitched whine, but you will know when the machine is working hard. Also, keep in mind that since this is an upgraded unit, the seal has been opened to install the extra RAM and storage. While the performance gains are worth it, some purists prefer factory-sealed hardware. That said, the added warranty coverage on those upgraded components provides some peace of mind. Who is this laptop actually for? I think it is perfect for project managers, accountants, developers, or anyone who spend their entire day in enterprise software. It is a workhorse designed for longevity and multitasking reliability. If you are a student or a corporate employee who needs a machine that will not crash when you have 50 things open at once, this is a very strong contender. You can check the links below the video to explore this model further and see if the current price point aligns with your budget. However, you should avoid this if you are a creative professional who needs a screen with high color accuracy, or if you are looking for a lightweight, thin and light laptop for travel. It is not heavy, but it is not in the ultrabook category either. It is a professional tool first and foremost. Another thing to consider is that if you do not actually need 32GB of RAM or 2TB of storage, you might be overpaying for specs that you will not fully utilize. Be honest about your workflow before committing to this specific upgraded configuration. Overall, the HP Elitebook 640 G11 is a reliable, high-performance business machine that prioritizes function over form. It does not try to be the flashiest laptop in the room, but it tries to be the most dependable. I have enjoyed the speed and the port variety, even if I wish the screen had a bit more punch. If you have any questions about how it handles specific software, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to check the links below to see the current pricing and availability. It is a solid, practical choice for the right user, provided you understand exactly what you're paying for.